Okay, now I'm just going to draw a quick draw of Komodo, yeah. Komodo uses a different shapes, but it's quite similar with the ones that we already did. Uh, since the head is a little bit like sharp point, so we're going to start with triangle. Okay, and the body we're going to use the shape as the same as with the bird. And as for the tail, we're going to give, since my paper is not as large, but you can do it like this to the back. And let me just continue. For the feet, we're going to give a shape of a rectangle. Just like that, yeah. These are the base shapes that creates Komodo, yeah. And then I'm just going to connect these shapes. We're going to give the neck, and we're going to do this. Give it a leg, the abdomen, and then the foot, yeah. And Komodo foot is very sharp, like this. Okay. So, and then, do you know what's missing in this drawing? It's the eyes, isn't it? Let me. Where's the color? I think green will be okay. So, oh, it's actually orange. The eyes. Okay, this is Komodo, yeah. And I'm going to show you another pose of Komodo. Let me just grab another paper, and then we'll start with the same triangle. We're going to make a different kind of tail pose. The ones that we made already is triangle to lock triangle. This one will make a curve like an S word, like that. Connect it on the ones behind, and then we're going to connect the other the shapes like what we did just now. And it's like the tail is curving on the ground. Let's make the feet again. And we can make variation, like it's opening its mouth like that. And then you can color the Komodo, yeah. Okay, these are Komodos. Now I'm going to show you another the Cendrawasih, yeah. Cendrawasih bird. Okay, we're going to use the same shape as the bird. Actually, yeah, the bird, the circle, straight line and a curve, and then the tail. As we saw already, the tail is so big, yeah. We're going to make it like that, bigger. Okay, these are the basic shapes of burung cendrawasih. Now I'm going to connect the shapes to create the body of the bird. Like this is the beak, and we'll give it its neck, and then we give the legs, and its talons, yeah. And then we give the shape of the wings, and also the tail. The tail's looking like this, and give it an eyes. Let's give it a little bit color of the Cendrawasih, yeah. It has a green neck, yellowish heads. I'm just going to make a quick coloring, but I'm sure you guys can make a lot better than what I'm doing right now, yeah. And another important thing is, yes, you can use another color. I'm just using it to imitate the ones that we already saw, but you can use another color that you like, okay? So yeah, the coloring, and let's give another color. I'm just going to use this. Okay, this is the blue. Okay, that's a quick drawing. I'm just going to show you one more animal that is only Indonesia have this kind of animal. And you know what? It looks like a cat, but it's big. Do you know? Can you guess what it is? No? Let me draw it for you then. So, like this. Give it, it's here, and then like this. Now, do you know what this is? Yes. Oh, don't worry. You can watch this in the. I will post a video of our class of what I'm teaching, so you can watch this later. Don't worry. So yeah, kind of like this, and let's give another leg like that, and has this kind. Can you guys already guess what this is? Yes, it is. This is Sumatran Tiger. Tigers, we have lots of tigers in other countries, but our tiger is Sumatran Tiger. It has a different, a little bit different size and shape, yeah.